The body shop mostly works on all heavy haul trucks, and we do anywhere from framework, stretching frames, to fiberglass, to replacing side panels on semis.
We can do more than just bring in a wreck truck and fix a wreck truck, you know. Custom paint work, custom body work. We do a lot of metal fab, welding. We'll almost take in anything.
That's why we get Kenworths and Internationals and Volvos and Macs and not just Freightliners in our shops. It's pretty cool though. It's like a puzzle, putting it back together and really working with it. So it's challenging, but it's fun at the same time.
It's not a monotonous job. Every truck is a little bit different, and so it can be challenging, and which makes it kind of fun.
You know, there's so much that can go wrong with a vehicle. You have to be one of those guys that can be smart enough to fix something and then go home at the end of the day and feel good.
You can learn a lot, you know, instead of just doing one thing over and over again. I think within a few years, you could work on so many numerous trucks that you just have a lot of knowledge.
There is growth. I started sweeping the floors and I'm the assistant manager. I've been here 23 years. The company believes in growth, and we believe in developing people and making them better. There's
Online courses you could take. Once you finish the online courses, then you can actually go to on-site training. It's nice to have the investment that management and the company wants to put into their techs and even office staff. Like I knew I can move around with the company. We didn't have to stay in the body shop if I didn't want to. And the managers are good about helping you pursue your dreams or your career goals.
I love what I do. When a truck is gone and a customer's happy, it feels great.